Good morning, students. Welcome back to your class. Today we will discuss the last topic of this chapter, exponent. Application of exponent. Application of exponent means in how many different ways we can use the laws of exponent. Okay, we can use the laws of exponent. कैसे हम यूज कर सकते हैं इस लॉज ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट को सम अदर फॉर्म में. ओके, all of you just you seen that what some in some questions some numbers are given in very large form, so we can convert that type of number in a standard form, okay, by using the laws of exponent. Okay, clear? For example, suppose one value or a number is given 3 lakh. Okay, so we can expand this using the concept of exponent. How? So that particular rule that we will use to convert this given large number into its standard form, that is called what? A cross A into 10 to the power n. A into 10 to the power n. अगर कोई बहुत बड़ा लार्ज नंबर दिया है तो उसको हम एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में, शॉर्ट या स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में उसको लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट इज दिस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म? A into 10 to the power n. Here n is what? N is any natural number. And what is A? The value of A is lie between 1. Okay, the value of A is lie between 1 to 10. Means in between 1 to 10 and maybe also 1. Clear? So how we can express this standard form? A into 10 to the power n. इसको कैसे हम लिखेंगे इस स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में? तो फर्स्ट थिंग क्या है कि जो A है इट्स वैल्यू इज लाइक ऑलवेज इन बिटवीन 1 to 10. 1 से 10 के बीच में, 1 से 10 के बीच में होनी चाहिए. एंड ऑल्सो मे बी 1. सो यू कैन राइट दिस 3 इज लाइक बिटवीन 1 to 10 नाउ इनटू पावर ऑफ 10 के पावर लिखना है. सो हाउ मच जीरो लेफ्ट हियर? 1 2 3 4 5 0. So 3 into 10 to the power 5. So this is the standard form of this number. The standard form of this. Okay. Some more examples just you can see. Okay. That is given in different books with different size now. Some more values of different units is given. 3 lakh kilometer. Okay. 4 crore meter or 4 crore kilometer. Clear? So easily we can convert or distance between the, you can express this by this rule, standard form. Distance between the earth to sun, distance between the moon to earth, yeah, distance between, you can say that between two planets means we can express by using this standard form a very large value of number. Okay, clear? Some more examples here you can see. Suppose here example given 7. This one. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 77 crore, okay, 80 lakh. 77 crore, 80 lakh. So how we can express this in standard form? In this form, A into 10 to the power and power of 10. So value of A should be in between 1 to 10 or maybe 1. So 1 to 10 is, you can write this 7.78. 7.78 is lie between 1 to 10. Now into how we can write this power of 10. So here you can calculate the number of places after this 7. Left 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 10 to the power 8. 10 to the power 8. Okay. So in this way you can represent the given large number in the standard form. Now we discuss about exercise 5b. Some questions are given. Represent the following number in its standard form. Standard form 5b. Exercise 5b. So first 6 part we'll discuss 1 6 5 0 0 0 0 0 0. How we can represent this in this form, standard form? A into 10 to the power n, where A is lie between 1 to 10 and n is equal to any natural number. Okay, so see here, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. Ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 16 crore, 50 lakh. 16 crore, 50 lakh. So first we'll write, find the value of A, means in between 1 to 10. तो यहाँ पे 1 से 10 बीच में क्या सकता है? 1.65. 1.65. Now into power of 10 में क्या करेंगे? What should be the value of 10? Small n की वैल्यू क्या होनी चाहिए? मतलब power of 10 क्या होना चाहिए? So how much places left after 1? 1 के बाद से कितने place left होने चाहिए? Count it, then you can write it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is the standard form of this number. The standard form of this number. Okay, students? Clear? Some more question is given. Second one. Question number 2. So other part you will try to solve. Okay? And or you can ask in next class. The mass of Earth is given. The mass of Earth is given. Very large value is given. We can't read it. 5, 9, 8. Now how many zeros are given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. These are 21 and 22 zeros are given. 22 zeros are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This much zeros are given. So you can't read because we know that we don't have any number system rule, okay, either international number system or Indian number system that we can use to read this number, very large number. So how we can read? Either how we can just read it in standard form, convert it in standard form. कैसे इसको convert करेंगे? Here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 21. So here how many zeros are given? 22 zeros. So how we can write in standard form? पहले क्या करना है हमको? A into 10 to the power n. So value of A should be 1 in between 1 to 10. 1 से 10 के बीच में होना चाहिए. So it means you can write this 5.98. Okay? It is in between 1 to 10 ना? 1 से 10 के बीच में है ये. Now into power of 10. अब 10 का power कितना होना चाहिए? How much? So count here number of places left. After 5 की वजह से कितना प्लेस लेफ्ट बचा हुआ है उसको देखो. तो सी है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24. How much left? 24. So here you can write this value of 24 kg. This is the mass of Earth. 5.98 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Clear? So in this way you can easily read the value of mass of the Earth. But if it is given in this form, very large number form, so you can't read it. Okay? Because it is a very large number and we don't have any rule number system, either international or Indian number system that we can use to read it. Clear? Okay? Some more examples given, question given. Mass of sun is same here given, so you can convert this by using this rule. One more question we will discuss. See here, one more question is given. Okay, we discuss fourth one. Okay, students. Area of Earth is given. Area of Earth. What is given? Area of Earth is given. 5, 12, 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, kilometer square. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 51 crore. 51 crore. So how we can just write in standard form? So first we have to find the value of A. Value of A, it should be in between 1 to 10. 1 से 10 की बीच होना चाहिए. So you can write this 5.1. 5.1. Now into how many places left after 5? 5 के बाद से कितना place बचा हुआ है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be power of 10. What? 8. So 5.1 into 10 to the power 8 kilometer square. Kilometer square. This is the area of Earth that is in standard form. Okay, students. Same you can write this question number 3 also. Area of India is given. Area of India is given in large value form. 3, 2, 9 and 4 zeros. 1, 2, 4 kilometer square. Means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 32 lakh, 90,000. So again, you can write this in standard form. So first we have to find the value of A in between 1 to 10, 3.29 into power of 10. What will be the power of 10? N की value क्या होगी? So how much places left? यहाँ कितना बचा हुआ है 3 के बाद? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 to the power 6. So this is the area of India that is in standard form. Okay, students? Clear? So in this way we will solve the exercise 5B. Okay. So now after this the chapter is over. So please complete all the questions of exercise 5A and 5B. Okay, students, and send to your respective teachers. Okay, students. Thank you. Have a nice day.